Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to fix Wi-Fi calling not working. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to open your settings and then proceed to cellular and then look for Wi-Fi calling and then make sure to turn on your Wi-Fi calling first. If it is already turned on, make sure to turn it off and then turn it on once again and make sure to click on enable. And if it still doesn't work, proceed to settings once again, go to general, go to the bottom of the page and look for transfer or reset iPhone and then click on reset and click on reset network settings. So click on reset network settings, follow the steps needed, and then that's it. If it still doesn't work, please contact Apple support or go to the nearest Apple or Mac center for more assistance. That's it. That's how you can fix Wi-Fi calling not working. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.